What is up today, guys? And today we will be answering the question
of what is inside of a basketball.
Yeah, so here's the story of how we opened up our basketball. This was actually totally on accident, and then we decided to make a YouTube video about it. So, me and Wesley were playing basketball on the driveway with my new Fitbit. I wanted to get more steps so I can get the second badge. Today is, if you're watching this the day it was made, today is April 22nd, 2023. My birthday was yesterday, and I got my Fitbit for my birthday. And I turned 8 at 1:01 p.m. yesterday. So, yeah, that's why I was playing basketball, because I wanted to get healthy with my Fitbit. So, me and Wesley were playing basketball on the driveway. Then Wesley threw his basketball onto the hoop. Then it bounced off and then went into the street.
But it goes like this.
Don't worry, Wesley stopped. Then it went way down that hill, all the way down to there. Then it went all the way into that street, and then a car ran over it and it popped. We heard a loud boom and we're wondering what it is. Then Mommy told us that our basketball popped.
Let's go
So
inside.
now let's see what's inside the basketball.
Let's go inside so we can see it better.
If anyone wants to see what's inside a basketball, watch this video on William Wesley TV. Make sure people in your house hear this part. I repeat, if you want to know what's inside a basketball, go to William Wesley TV and watch this video. It's called Our Basketball Popped. What's inside of a basketball? So, yeah, that's our story. Now we're going to see what's inside it. To the kitchen!
What are you doing in the kitchen?
We're going to open up. So, I'm going to set up Wesley's iPad on Deeze's tail. So, I'm going to use a knife saw and saw it. Don't worry, I know how to use knives, and I'm allowed to use knives. I'm actually a trained professional with knives.
Yeah, you've been using them for like years, I think.
Yeah, I think since I was like 4 or 5.
Yeah, and you're now 8. And you're now 8. So you've been doing them for like 5 or 4 years.
You mean 3 or 4 years?
3 years? Yeah, 3 or 4. Okay.
Okay.
See what's on the video right now?
Yeah, Diesel's tail and this knife that I'm using.
Don't put the knife near her tail, please. Oh, Willie, that's making me real nervous.
Okay, I think that's enough of cutting open the basketball.
Do you want me to try to rip it more for you?
Yeah, I can rip it. I'm very, very strong.
Stronger. But there's a kid that has a 6-pack of muscles. That's crazy,
That's
right?
kind of unnatural for a kid to have a 6-pack.
What even is a 6-pack?
It's when you can see somebody's ab muscles in their tummy, so it sort of looks like you can see like the individual ab muscles.
And there was
Can we help you
literally
open this
6
bag?
of them in a video.
Here.
6 of them. 6 of them on a kid in a video.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. If you've seen surprise video on William Wesley TV,
Alright, this is pretty
make sure
open.
to subscribe to William Wesley TV and OCC Plumbing and Restoration.
And really, it's actually sick in real life. It's sick.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Sick.
It's like a hat.
No.
Or like a
Hat?
helmet.
It's not a hat.
it. It's perfect. It protects the top of your head and the back of your head.
Can you take it, the video?
It doesn't protect. It protects. the ear.
Keep it going and take the video.
It doesn't
this
protect
helmet
your ear.
on
It doesn't protect.
Stop moving around. Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna answer the question. What is in? Can you open this all the way so there's two pieces, Daddy?
You want it ripped in two?
Yeah.
Do you want it ripped in two, Wesley?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then YouTube will be able to see that.
Take a video of me making a crazy noise as I rip it.
Okay, we'll continue the video.
Ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
That was fast. Okay, so
What's inside of it?
here's the first piece of our basketball.
Lily's sick. And Lily, I already saw this
So
in
that's
another.
inside.
I already saw this in another video.
Okay, and this is the half of the other one.
Thank you for doing
And
so
there's
much.
the
Anything
pump-
else that
ah,
needs to be
Let's see.
done?
That's what's
I
inside.
There's
got just getting
where
them
the
ready for
air
dinner.
that you
We're
pump
eating.
goes.
I think
Into
that
the
makes
ball.
nice stuff. I think they don't need screens. Otherwise, what do you prefer, porch or deck? Probably porch.
And then
Easier.
Yeah, you might want to move
My
their
new
shirts and
Fitbit
stuff so
is
they don't
really
get
cool.
stains on them.
Okay, so there's D's. Hi, D's.
Very cute.
And then here is
If you've seen
Lassie.
the video of
And my
Lily-
birthday party is tomorrow, so I've been making cupcakes. That's why there is cake batter out here.
And there is.
I think that's actually nice. I mean icing. And for my birthday, me and Wesley got new water bottles. I got my Fitbit. And I got an Alexa glow light, an Echo Glow. And we got Minecraft bedding.
And we got a sick one.
And we got a mail truck. I'm joking. I just saw a mail truck, so I decided to make that joke. But here's one of our Minecraft blankets. We're so sorry that our house is a mess.
It's sick.
Let's say hi to Doug.
It's so cool. It has.
Doug.
It has 3 creepers on it, and it says Minecraft at the top. And it has really like square things.
Mm-mm.
And really
That's a
like
Mommy, can you go into me and Wesley's bedroom and I'll show a YouTube something and you'll tell me if it works? I need to be far away from me and Wesley's bedroom and someone needs to be in there to check my Echo Glow.
Okay, Willie, this is the last thing that you're going to do on this because then you're going to wash your hands because dinner's ready, okay? So, Willie,
Okay.
you want me to just go in there and see if anything happens to it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going in there for like 30 seconds and then you guys are going to finish posting up your video and wash hands after that, okay? Oh, and Wesley.
I need time on the Alexa app, Mommy.
Okay, hey Wesley Sweets, I found a basketball exactly like that for $10 that I'm gonna pay for because you don't have to pay for something like that, sweetie. I'm gonna pick it up after your bedtime, okay?
okay.
Here you go, Willie.
Oh, Willie, I need to use the restroom. I'll be back.
All right, Willie, should I go into you and Wesley's room?
Willie, I need to
Yeah.
use the restroom. I'll be back.
Okay, Wesley.
Okay, Willie. I'll be back. I need to use
Willie,
the
can you
restroom.
acknowledge what Wesley told you?
Willie, I
Yeah,
need to use
okay.
the restroom.
Okay,
I'm gonna be
you'll
back.
be back soon.
All right, 30 seconds, Willie.
Alexa. Change the color on Willie's Echo Glow to green. Yeah, that's what I told Alexa to do.
It worked.
Okay,
Awesome.
YouTube, it worked. It worked. It worked.
All right, and then Wesley, wash your hands for dinner.
That's really
Wash your
cool.
hands for dinner.
And bye-bye. There's Mommy. Okay, what is the one thing we need to say for YouTube? Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. For Bone. For Bone and our whole family, hit the notification bell and and subscribe. It's free. Just like this shirt I'm making. There was a shirt there. Mommy,
Yeah, baby.
where's the shirt that I was working on?
Oh, I
Right
put it
after
in
lunch.
the big kid chairs because I didn't want to get them greasy.
What chairs?
Your big boy chairs.
Oh, here they are. Okay, here's the back of the shirt. Flip it around. Here's the front of the shirt. Toilet, OCC. Like button. I did a terrible job on that like button. Bell. Subscribe, it's free. W plus W, or Willie plus Wessie. Star, rainbow. I'm still working on it. I'll show you the rest in the next video. But here's Daddy. He's on YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
And then there is the food he's making us for dinner. He's making Mommy and Daddy that food for dinner, and he's making me and Wessie something different. Let's play a short game of tag, Wessie. Tag.
Okay, you're
Put your hands. Hard time answering that question. I mean, it's like.
Tag, you're it.
Pretty hard.
Soft things are base.
Lily, let's stop playing tag.
Okay, bye-bye, YouTube. Subscribe, hit the bell, like, it's free.
Yeah, it's free.